name is Shashwat Mishra. I'm a second year law student at Kirit P. Mehta School of Law in MIMS Mumbai. So basically, the reason for joining law was to see myself in judiciary. So I want to pursue basically judicial services, and I think that is the reason why I came into law. And yeah, I mean, so I like to read a lot. I mean, so I take part in the competitions that happen in my law school, moot court competition, etc. So not much to say, but a very basic thing. So, ma'am, so basically, I also wanted to explore other avenues in the legal field. So corporate law is obviously something which attracts you a lot. I mean, because you get to solve problems, and the corporate culture itself is very attracting, and you want to work there and that thing. So that's what I thought, that it is good to have knowledge of the corporate field as well, and other things like criminal law, or civil law as well. So that is why I thought, and so I chose to enroll in this course because uh, legal drafting is something which is very important for a budding law student to know it, inside out. Because, like, I've heard this from my seniors, and also after attending a lot of webinars, from LawSikho and other uh, places as well, that drafting is very important for a lawyer. And if you're able to draft good documents, then it adds value to your practice. I was able to use, because you see what happened, that earlier, before enrolling in this course, I did not have much idea about drafting, because I had interned also, but I did not get any drafting work. So I interned with this blogging website, and also I interned with a law firm. But there they taught me what are the agreements, but I did not get to draft documents. So it is after this law course that I got to draft documents, and now at least I have an idea of whatever agreements, like I got draft employment agreement, non-disclosure agreement, leave in license, etc. So now at least I have an idea. And also now after enrolling in this course, I applied for this internship also. And like earlier when I used to apply, then there was this requirement of that you should know drafting, but that time I did not know. So now at least I apply for these internships, and I got one. So if I compare, then obviously it's a value addition, because I mean, no matter you learn anything else also, I mean, whatever you learn, and after enrolling in this law course, there has been a value addition and a skill addition in me. So I mean, definitely now, after enrolling in this course, you have at least a basic idea. If suppose someone gives me and says me that, okay, you have to draft this NDA, so now I will be having at least a basic knowledge of what clauses uh, should there be in a NDA, and how should I start with it. And if suppose I did not have this knowledge of say drafting, and I did not know to draft basically, then I would have to ask from my peers or seniors to just let me know what it is and how it is. And obviously in laws, I've heard this from my seniors as well, that in law firm they do not really explain you each and everything in depth as to how things are done. So they expect you that you should know at least something to do. So I think that will help me definitely. Experience was good. uh, Faculty was also very nice. Got to whatever doubts we had. So in class also they used to answer obviously, but also off the class as well. Off the class as well, through WhatsApp and other mediums. So overall, it was a very good experience, and yeah, so that. can say. Right?